friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about XMG's world's first AMD Ryzen 7 5800 X3D powered laptop. So friend, XMG has announced the XMG Apex 15 Max, world's first laptop with AMD 3D V-Cache and Ryzen 7 5800 X3D X-Top CPU. And friend, this XMG has offered CPUs including the Ryzen 5 5600X, Ryzen 7 5700X or Ryzen 9 5900X, although the Ryzen 9 5950X is also officially supported and can be configured via bestware.com. It does not receive an official recommendation for manufacturer. The measurements are based on an Apex 15 Max with GeForce RTX 3070 and 64GB DDR4 3200 RAM. Processors from the Ryzen 7 5800X supports always run in AMD's ECO mode with PPD of up to 88 watts in the laptop. And friend, for all CPUs except the Ryzen 7 5800X 3D, XMG's firmware update also unlocks additional BIOS overclocking settings. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Apex 15 Max start at a price of just 1079 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.